Hey guys, welcome back to Karan's Cuisine. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but I was busy with schoolwork, finals, academic pentathlon, and robotics. But now summer has come, so I'm free to make as many videos as I can for you guys. And for today's video, which is the first video of the summer, we'll be making egg salad. It's like a really quick recipe, and it can be used in sandwiches, and like you can just eat it plain. It's really delicious, and it's quick too, so that really helps if you just want to have like a lunch on the go or pack even like school lunch for kids. For this, you're gonna need a quarter cup of mayo, 2 celery sticks, 6 to 8 eggs, I'm using 8 here, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a quarter of a freshly chopped onion, and you can also use spring onions or green onions for this, half of a chopped capsicum, and you can just use anything crunchy for this like an apple, and finally 2 teaspoons of mustard. The first step in making egg salad is you have to hard boil your eggs. And for this I have my 8 eggs, and you need to boil your water on the stove at around medium high. You can see it's gone to a boiling point right here, it's bubbling. So you have to gently put your eggs in, make sure they don't crack. And then boil this on medium high for about 20 minutes. While my eggs are boiling, I'm going to make use of my time and cut my celery sticks. I boiled my eggs for 20 minutes and I peeled the eggshells off, so now it's time to cut them into small pieces. And now we can mix all of this into the bowl. Okay, I'm making a very big mess. Now it's time to add our sauces, and we'll start with the mayo. About 1/4 of a cup, a little bit less than that. Now add some mustard. And mix it all together. So it's pretty much done. All you have to do is like put it in the fridge for like 2 or more hours before serving, or just like eating it like that. It's delicious, and you can just do that. But I recommend using it as like a side for another dish, or even putting it in a sandwich. I always do that. It's really delicious. And I noticed when I tasted it that it's a little bit salty, so you might want to go with 1/2 to 3/4 teaspoons of salt instead of a full teaspoon. But other than that, this is really good. I'd recommend trying it.